you are a recipe away from your dream game. With step-by-step tutorials, each part of the game is like a recipe. So if you have the essential recipes, you can make the whole game. And that's what the Platform Essentials Cookbook is. Unlock game dev skills, discover quests and complete achievements in this gamified experience. Earn more experience and understand concrete use cases using the sample projects. The Platform Essentials pre-order is up on itch.io right now. In the next 15 days, you can get it with 20% discount and help found the boss battle extra recipe. Click the link in the description, check out the rewards for supporting with a little bit extra, and let's found this final project. Are you ready to make some games? Click the link below. Oh, you still there? Not convinced yet? Okay, to show you how easy it is to make a game with my cookbook, in the next 15 days I will make one using just my recipes. Also, as a reward for watching till the end, there is a free sample recipe at the bottom of the landing page. I'm sure you love it.